guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a thing that is useful in the kitchen. So what is it? Is it something that you use every day? You consume it? You swallow it? Or what? You use it for something or what? Clue? Something consumable. What is it? Something consumable? No, it's not consumable. Something that you can use to consume something. Is it right? That's confusing. Anyway, I'm here in my stairs because the lighting is very nice. Anyway guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing for you. And this is something that is useful in the kitchen. By the way, I have a new glasses here. This is a very standard reading glasses. And I'm just wearing it now because I have indentation here. So might as well just use it. Don't mind me with my my glasses right now. So I can also clearly see if I'm in focus or not. And also, by the way, I'm in a new house that we rented. And yeah, I really like the place and area here. Soon I'll be doing a empty house tour. And for now, let's proceed to the video. So what is it? What do I got here? Of course, something in the morning that is consumable. And it is coffee. Yes, coffee makes you feel energized every day. And we have a very small kitchen. And so we haven't set anything yet, like where to cook and everything. Recently, we are just doing baking inside the unit. Mostly in the neighborhood, they are cooking outside the house. And I haven't done that ever since. So something to think about in the near weeks. Not weeks, but days. So what we need right now is coffee every morning. And since we don't have gas, so we're using electric. So what do I got here? I have this is from Camel. Let's do the unboxing. This is empty already. And I'll be inserting the video as to the opening, the price. So keep on watching and know my thoughts about this. And 1.5. So how much is half a liter per cup? How much? I don't know. So let's open this one. Oh, okay. Then there you fill up the water in there. Okay, that's it, I think. Simple. Just fill in the water over here, and it closes over here. And the back here. Okay, so it's just the same label. And the conductor, I think. Yep, that's it. And let's put this here together.
Here for Mommy, don't play.
Yes. Okay, wash your hands. And then
Can I wash my hands here?
Yes. Like so, right?
You're right.
And that's it, I think.
Hurry before the battery dies.
And the price for this is $6.15. I have been using this already, so I'm just gonna show you that this thing works, and it's very fast and it's quick, and love it. My coffee is done in no time, and it can consume 1.5 liters of water, 0.5 probably 2 cups, so 2, 4, 6 maybe 6 cups of water for this. It's just my estimate. And on here, like there's a metal over there, we already have water in here, so I'm just gonna fill in with water. It's very tiny and it really fits to the theme of this little kitchen of ours. And so black and white and black and white. Camel, it's been proven to us that the camel is really good, and I have a cup of water already here, so I'll fill it in just to get any that spoil in this kitchen. I do it like that. Okay, so that is done. Put it back here. This is the front, this is the back, and it looks the same whichever direction. Plug in here. We only have our extension. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna push this button right here, and then it turns blue. And after a second or a minute, maybe probably, it makes noise. Ooh. In real time, how fast it is. Oh, why it's not doing it? Okay, moving along. You can hear that noise already. So it's going to be here at the bottom, I believe, and it will spill up. The steam will come up. Starting to steam. It's just less than a minute. It's like you're riding an airplane. This machine, I do really like this. It's like riding or deep landing. Now it's going to start to boil. Alright, so you can see that it's boiling now. And this one will shut off. Boiling, steaming. Yes. Then wait for it, and wait, bam. Then it shuts off. Alright, water is ready. I have coffee go here. Alright. Spoon and wiggle around. Drinking coffee. Comment what are your favorite brand of coffee maker for a tiny little place. What are your thoughts and suggestions on what coffee machine you got for a tiny little kitchen? Please let me know what kind of coffee you like. I like Coffee Co. And what are yours? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this a little bit of a review on the product. Some product from here and there. I like to get something that is worth buying, worth purchasing, has good quality, functional, and also good for a very tight space. Okay, so If you have any questions, suggestions, comments, advice, whatever it is, comment down below. Like this video if you want. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.